Hello friends, I'm your gynecologist Dr. Ruchika Garg, and so today we'll debunk certain myths and facts about breast cancer. So the one thing is people think that if they don't have a family history of breast cancer, they will not have breast cancer. It is not true, because familial breast cancer occur only in 5 to 10% of the women. The cause of breast cancer in most of the patients is not known, and familial breast cancer can occur in those patients if you have a history of breast cancer in your mother side, most often also in the parental side also, and these are related with certain genes. So it is not as of today possible to map those genes. First of all, the doctor will find the gene in the family in this index case, and then if that gene is positive, then in other family members that gene will be searched for. So and this familial breast cancer is also associated with ovarian cancer and colon cancer, and you might have heard this. People do prophylactic, that is beforehand mastectomy, and prophylactic oophorectomy and hysterectomy if they have a family history of breast cancer. So it will eliminate the risk of breast cancer if you have a prophylactic oophorectomy by more than 90%. Now the second myth is if you wear a certain kind of brassiere bra, particularly the underwire bra, you have an increased risk of breast cancer. It is not true. The scientific evidence does not support it that wearing bra can cause breast cancer. The people have the other myth that use of deodorants and antiperspirants can cause breast cancer. No. It has also scientifically evidence could not prove it that antiperspirants can cause breast cancer. Then people say that I don't smoke, I don't drink, and I eat healthy diet, so I will not get breast cancer. No, it is also not true. It is good that if you have a balanced weight, you are not obese, your chances of breast cancer will be reduced. But it does not guarantee you that you will not have breast cancer if you don't smoke or you don't drink. Then people say that increasing sugar consumption increases breast cancer. Directly it does not cause breast cancer, but yes, the sugar will increase your calorie intake and it will cause you obese if you don't follow healthy diet, and obesity is directly linked with increased incidence of breast cancer. Then people have the myth that early stage breast cancer don't recur. No, it is not true. The breast cancer can recur, so you need to be very vigilant about it. Then few people say that I undergo mammography every year and it will eliminate my risk of breast cancer because I am undergoing mammogram. No, it is not true. Mammography does not eliminate the need for self breast examination. Every time you must carry on your breast self examination, because in mammography also, in certain conditions like dense breast and other, there is a probability of missing the breast cancer, because it sometimes very small nodules and lumps can be missed in mammography. The other myth that people have is that breast cancer always causes lump. No, it is not true, because the people say it as a reason to avoid mammograms, that I don't have a lump, then I don't have a breast cancer. No, you should undergo your breast examination, because even if you don't have a lump, you might have a breast cancer. Then the other myth is people say that all lumps can be breast cancer. No, because only a very few percentage of lumps are cancerous. So, but it does not underestimate the need of going to your doctor. So you should visit your doctor regularly for mammograms and annual breast checkup, yearly breast checkups. The other myth that people have, that breast cancer is a disease of old aged women more than 45 years and especially after 55 to 60 years. No. About 1 in 25 invasive breast cancer occurs in younger women. So breast cancer is also present in young women in their 25 to 30s of age. So here lies the importance of self breast examination, because breast cancer